is the continuation of last topic, pricing. I told you the definition of pricing. Let us have another way of presentation. What is exactly the pricing? Now, pricing brings the revenues. See, you might be aware of marketing mix. One of the most important topic of marketing mix is mixture of four elements: product, price, place and promotion. Out of all these four elements, the most important element right now what we are focusing is price. That is price. Price is one of the important element of marketing mix. Now let us define what is a price. Price is nothing but a process of giving a monetary value to the product or service. What is the pricing? Pricing is a process of giving a monetary value, fixing a monetary value to the product or a service. That is called as pricing. And out of all the four elements of marketing mix, the only element which has got important significant role in developing, in generating the profits, the revenues to the management of the organization is the price. Price is the only one factor out of all the four elements of marketing mix which gives the profits, which gives the company's revenue. Now, the pricing is not so simple. In order to give a price to the product or service, we have to have a pricing policy. What is a policy? A policy is nothing but a written statement, written plans on which the company will move ahead in the future. In case we are talking about pricing, the pricing policy, those aspects which are most important for fixing the price of the product, fixing the price of the service. Now here, in doing so, the most important thing is selecting the pricing objective. What is the objective of your pricing? The objective is nothing but delivering the product, giving the service to the customers at the reasonable price with getting some profits out of it. That would be one of the objectives of pricing. The second is determining the demand. It is always fact that whenever there is a demand for a product or a service, that will have more cost, that will have more demand, that will have more price. That means the demand and price of the product, the demand and price of the product are directly proportional to one another. Whenever the demand increases, the price also increases. Whenever the demand decreases, the price also decreases. That means the relationship between these two is directly proportional. Directly proportional to each other. Now, the other factor which is most important in fixing the price is estimating the cost. What is the cost? The cost is nothing but the total expenses incurred. The total expenses incurred in the development of the product, in the process of producing the product, or in the process of creating the services. This is most important because one product will be developed at a cost of 1,000, another will be developed at the cost of 2,000. If we are coming to know the exact total expenses incurred in developing the product, is then we can fix the price. Generally, the total cost is nothing but the total expenses, the expenditure incurred in developing the product or in creating the services. Now the other important aspect is analyzing the competitors' cost, price and offers. Say for example, if there is a product X in the market is there, that X is having alternatives as Y and Z. If only two alternatives are there, automatically the price of this X will be higher. If there are n number of alternatives, that means maximum alternatives are available, then it is very difficult to fix the price. Whenever there are more alternatives available for a product, automatically the price of new product will be reduced, will be lesser compared to others. And if there are alternatives are less, automatically the price will be fixed higher. So another important issue in the policy of pricing is we have to find out, we have to understand the important aspects of competitors' pricing policy, competitors' pricing of the product. What is the price of the product of the competitors? What is the price of the product or service of the competitor? See, it is not so simple to fix the price of the product. It is very difficult. In fact, the fixing of the price will help you in getting growth, or even it will lead to your losses in the future. Fixing the price of the product, fixing the price of the service, just like that, without any consideration, will lead to your huge losses in the future. Now, in order to fix the price, we are having different methods. Let us understand few points about the objectives of pricing. Even though it has covered earlier, the pricing objectives are survival in the industry, survival in the business, survival in the market, maximum current profits to get into revenue generation, maximum market share, penetration pricing. That is one of the method of pricing. One of different methods is penetration pricing. Next is maximum market skimming. This is also another method of pricing strategy. Next is product quality leadership. Now, the other important aspect what we have to focus, what we have to understand is the factors which influence on the price. See, what are the factors which influence on the price? Or nothing but what are those aspects because of which the price changes, the price alters. The most important is shared cost, price quality, inventory. Price quality is nothing but the relationship between the quality and the price of the product. The relationship between the price and the quality of the service. Inventory effect, value, benefit, substitutes, total expenditure. Remember, in marketing language, whenever you use the word value, it means the benefit out of the product. The benefit is nothing but what you expect, what you get from the product, from the service is nothing but the value. And it is an obvious fact that it's an open secret that no two persons, no two groups will have same value for the same product. The product can be same, but the value changes from one person to other person, depending upon their perception, mentality, motivation, so on and so forth. See, in the method of pricing, we have one of the methods is psychological pricing. Here the marketer uses the concept of psychological thinking of the customers. There are some customers who believe that if the price of the product is higher, if the price of the service is higher, then the service will be good, the product will be good. So in this kind of pricing method, those customers will be targeted who believe that if the price is higher, if the price is more, the quality will also be good. The service will